Good morning. This is call number 2018-40616 in the interest of Idris Sani. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
Ms. Gardner?
Yes.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Kelly Gardner, custodial parent.
Mother? Okay.
Yes.
And sir, your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Ismail Sani, and I'm this child's father.
All right. Your video went out there.
Yeah, my son is actually calling me, wondering where I am. He's inside the house right now with my sister, his cousins, my sisters. So he's calling me with his iPad. I'll have to decline it.
All right. Representing the state of Texas Attorney General's office.
Good morning, Your Honor. Kavita Sharma.
All right. We've got a suit for modification of support order and motion to confirm support arrearage. We're having a hearing. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
Yes, Judge.
Do we have any stipulations?
Your Honor, the only stipulation we have is the amount of arrears. Both parties agree that the total amount in child support arrears is $1,161.52, and the total amount of arrears of the medical support is $17.14.50. And both parties have received, I'm sorry, Judge, hold on one second. I read the wrong number there. The total amount of arrears in the child support is $861.52. As of May 31st, 2022. And medical support, $100. The FINA should be there with you, the financial report, and both parties have had an opportunity to review it via email.
All right. What are the issues?
Judge, the issues are parties don't agree on a payout for the arrears, nor do they agree on a modification, which Mr. Sani, the non-custodial parent, requested.
This guy keeps calling me. Come on, Ma.
And all right, let's proceed then.
Yes, Judge, I would like to call the father, Mr. Ismail Sani.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Sani, you've requested a modification of the child support for your child, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And where are you working right now?
Right now, I am jobless because my work authorization is expired, and I've applied for a renewal, and I've not received it.
Okay, so you're currently waiting authorization to continue employment?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is your estimated time that you think your permit will be renewed?
I mean, I was supposed to renew it like 3 months before the expiration of the previous one, but I didn't have that information until it expired. So it expired in April, and I reapplied. I think early May, and they say it takes at least 3 to 6 months or so for it to get ready. And I'm not really sure when I would receive it because of the backlog and the pandemic and all of that. So everything is really slow right now. I have no idea of when I would receive it.
And how are you currently supporting yourself?
I live with my family in this house right here. If I can flip the camera right there.
No, you don't need to.
My son is in there.
Fine.
Okay.
Okay, so your family is currently supporting you?
My son is in there right now.
Okay, your audio is a little
Yes,
bad,
ma'am.
but to confirm, you said you're not
Yes.
working, but your family is supporting you.
Yes, ma'am.
And do you have an amount of child support that you are able to pay while you're not working?
I cannot really tell because I don't have income coming in. I mean, I give a particular amount, then I'm unable to right now. I'm living at my parents' house. My lease already expired. I can't get a new place because of my ID, everything is expired already. So I have to stay with my family right now until I receive it, get a job.
And are you opposed to paying child support based on the minimum wage?
I don't really understand what that means, please. Can you break it down a little bit for me?
Are you opposed to paying any child support at this point?
No, I mean, I really want to support my child. I don't oppose anything child support.
And would
I want to support my child. I really wish I have the support my child like I've always did.
okay, and do you have access to insurance for your child at this time?
I do not have a job right now, and I know insurance costs money, and I can't really pay for it right now because I don't have a job. Unless my sister adds into her insurance. And Kelly also claimed that she has insurance for my son already. So if I'm unable to provide insurance, I think the mother as well should.
Okay, so Mr. Sani, are you opposed to paying some support, even if it's based on minimum wage for your son right now, with the help of your family?
Sure, I can pay.
Okay, so you're in agreement to pay
Yeah, I
200,
mean, I can ask and they would help me
they will,
get for him.
okay. Thank you, Judge. I pass this witness.
I,
All right,
I
Ms.
didn't hear
Gardner,
that.
do
Can
you
you
have
come
any
again? You broke-
questions? Ms. Gardner, do you have any questions of Mr. Sani?
Mr. Stanley is playing games with you all, but I know there's
Miss
not.
Gardner, Miss Gardner,
I'm here.
listen to my
Go ahead.
question. Do you have any questions for Mr. Sani? I'm going to allow you to say something later, but right now, do you have any questions of Mr. Sani?
No, not for him.
All right. Sharma?
I'd like to call the mother, Miss Kelly Gardner.
Yes.
Miss Gardner, have you had an opportunity to review the financial report?
No, I don't even know what you're referring to.
The amount of back payments that's in your email?
I logged in this morning. Yeah, I've seen it.
Okay, and you're not opposed to the amount that Mr. Sani owes, correct?
When you say opposed, what exactly are
Ma'am,
you
does
asking?
Mr. Sami, is he behind on his child support payments?
Yes. Yes, he
$861.82, and on his medical support, $100 as of
It said
May 31st?
1,300. May 31st. Yes.
Okay, all right.
Okay, and you and Mr. Sani haven't come to an agreement on an amount that he should pay toward these arrears, correct?
No.
What do you think he should pay toward the arrears?
Monthly, ma'am, how much do you think he should pay in order to reduce his arrearages, just on the arrearages?
He should continue paying what was owed, what was already put into effect the first time.
There is nothing, there's no orders on this in terms of his arrearages. We're just talking about his arrearages, what he owes, how much he needs to defray that expense. How much do you think you should pay each month?
Can't really hear you, sir.
800 and some odd dollars for child support and $100 for cash medical support. How much do you think he should be paying in order to reduce that amount to zero over a period of time?
$300 a month.
So in other words, it would be paid off in, less than 3 months. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, but I have a question. What is the $1,311.52 that I'm looking at here?
That's June. Okay, that
Oh,
is in
okay.
June. We're only coming up to May 31st.
Correct.
Hello?
All right. Okay, go ahead, Ms. Sharma.
And Ms.
Mother
Gardner,
wants him to pay $300 a month.
and Ms. Gardner, you understand that the father is agreeing to pay $35 a month toward the back pay until he starts working again, correct?
No, I don't understand because what I understand is that he takes my son to daycare so he can go to work, and he's not telling the truth on this phone call. That's what I understand.
Judge, I object to that.
How
That's
are you sure? I mean, how do you have that information?
Ma'am, sir, we're not talking to you right now. You will have
Judge,
an opportunity to say something, and you'll have an opportunity to ask
Sorry.
your questions, but you can't interrupt. This is a trial. All right, now, Ms. Sharma.
and Judge, Ms. Gardner is not answering my questions, and I'll ask it one more time. Ms. Gardner, during negotiations, the representative from the Attorney General's office did tell you that Mr. Sani is willing to pay $35 toward the back support and $10 toward the back medical support, and you don't agree with that, correct?
I have a question. Are you his attorney?
Ma'am,
No, I'm
are you
not.
going to answer the question?
Yeah, they did ask me that.
All right.
Judge, objection, she's non-responsive.
You said yes.
Oh, she did? Okay. And Ms. Gardner, you think that Mr. Sani is currently working, right?
Right.
Do you know where he works?
When we first did the child support, he was working under someone else's name and social for Instacart. Now I have no clue where he's currently working, but he could possibly still be delivering groceries under someone else's name. I'm not sure at this point.
Okay, so the answer is no. You do not know where he works. Is that correct?
No, I don't.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And are you aware that his work permit is expired, so he cannot work in the US until that's renewed?
I am aware of that as of today on this phone call.
And you don't agree to setting child support based on minimum wage until we can modify the child support when he is working again?
You had asked him earlier, what was the amount? $200 a month?
If it's based on minimum wage, it would be $217 a month.
Okay, yes, I'm gonna need that because school will be starting. It looks like I will have to put Idris in a private school, so he's gonna have to help me pay for the private school.
Okay, I didn't quite understand what the answer was.
Yes, I will accept.
You will accept $217 a month starting July 1st, 2022. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So
And
we have
Ms. Gardner,
we don't have a stipulation there because Mr. Sani doesn't agree to that. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
that is correct, Your Honor.
All right. Go ahead.
And Judge, I pass this witness. That's all the questions I have for Ms. Gardner.
Mr. Sani, do you have any questions of Ms. Gardner?
I mean, no questions, to be honest.
Okay, I'm gonna let you say something.
I just
But right now, if you don't have any questions, that's fine. All right. Ms. Sharma, you have any other witnesses?
No, Your Honor, I don't.
All right. Do you have a final argument?
Yes, Judge, I would like to ask that Mr. Sani is ordered to pay child support of $217 a month based on minimum wage beginning June 1, 2022 and 57.
June? Did you say June?
I'm sorry, July 1, Judge. July
right.
1, 2022. And medical support in the amount of $57, again, based on minimum wage beginning
What was that amount? You broke up.
$57 for medical support beginning July 1, 2022. And in the retro to confirm the arrears and set a payout, $35 a month in child support arrearage and $10 a month in medical support arrearage.
All right. There is a stipulation as to the arrearages, as I understand. Is that correct?
There is a
All right.
stipulation as to the amount. So to confirm the amount of $861 in child support and the $100 in medical support.
All right. That is a stipulation. All right, Mr. Sani, you have something you wish to say now. Look like you're frozen. Mr. Sani?
Sorry, something is wrong with audio. I cannot really hear you. I
Oh,
didn't get that
that's
information
fine.
just passed, sir.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
Hello? Hello?
Already can't hear me.
Hello?
You're frozen, sir.
Hello?
Can you
Hello?
hear me? Can you hear
What?
me? Miss Gardner, you're still there, correct?
Yes, correct.
All right. I guess he has to try to recontact.
Okay.
Yes.
I can hear you now, sir.
All right. Do you have something that you wish to say now?
Yeah, I mean, you were talking when your audio, I mean, I don't know if it was yours or mine, encountered a problem, so I didn't really hear all you said prior to this conversation now.
It appears that that there's an agreement that you're behind on your child support in the amount of $861.52 and on your medical support in the amount of $100. Is that correct, sir?
That's correct,
As
sir.
of May 31st. Okay, that's correct. So we have an agreement as to that. All right. So now, did you hear what Miss Sharma was requesting?
No, I did not hear. It wasn't clear.
Okay, Miss Sharma was requesting that you pay child support based on minimum wage of $217 a month and cash medical support for medical support in the amount of $57 a month beginning July 1st, 2022. All right. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Okay. So now you have anything to say?
Yeah, I mean, based on the fact that I do not have my own particular income coming in,
So you want to
I
pay,
can't really
zero child support. Is that correct?
until I get a job, sir. Yes, sir.
Not going
Until
to
I'm
happen,
able to
sir.
get a job.
Not going to happen, sir. You have to pay child support, and we're going to base it on minimum wage, which means we're reducing your current child support from $300 to $217.
Okay.
Anything further you want to say, Mr.
Uh,
Sonny?
Seek for help from family.
I'm sorry, what?
There's nothing further that I have to say, sir.
All right, Miss Garner, anything further you have to say?
No.
All right.
And that's all from the state, Your Honor.
All right. All right, court grants a modification. Father's ordered to pay child support in the amount of $217 a month and cash medical support in the amount of $57 a month beginning July 1st, 2022. Regarding the stipulated arrearages, father's ordered to pay $35 a month for child support, $10 a month for cash medical support beginning July 1st, 2022. All other stipulations are approved. Anything further?
Nothing further from the state, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Question,
Excuse.
sir.
You can talk to the